same question for this one. So we're just going to skip this question. But what we're going to do is let's just verify this super quickly. So this is the same as 3, right? Same as 3. And well, I'm just going to verify the solution together. So I won't do the same steps here. We know that the standard solution equation of a circle center K is good. I have x minus h squared, y minus k squared. That's good. I have this. So what they're doing is, this is great because this here they did they're completing the square, x squared plus 8x, and then what they're doing is they have they had, what was it, 8x? Did I write this down properly? Oh, I didn't write this down properly. My bad. This here was 8. Sorry. That's why my math was weird. 8 and 8. I wrote this wrong. When I factored the x, it was 8. So 8 divided by 2 squared is 16. Sorry, that's my fault. So this corrected me. That's good. But this here was the step-by-step solution that I wanted the other solution to be. So this is actually an even better solution here. So radius here is 2 squared, which is awesome. So this here is correct. So even this is actually the same as previous question, but even clearer step-by-step solution. So this here is great in terms of that. So this solution here is also correct.